No great things are ever done by just doing one thing.
Take effing action, put it together, and subscribe to Tom Peng's channel on YouTube now. Yeah, I like it. It's crazy.
As I look around people in general, this is typically the kind of mentality people have. They want to do little things and get a lot of reward. They want to do one thing at work and get promoted. And they want, do one thing for the girlfriend and have sex. I don't know what it is, but they want to do one thing to get a lot in return. This is most people's mentality, and this does not work, right? No great things are ever done by just doing one thing. No big amount of money is ever accumulated by just doing one thing. You don't marry your dream girl just by doing one thing. Whatever it is that you want to do in life, it's never accomplished by doing one thing. Success comes from doing many small things. All right, so if you're running a sales team, you're doing the qualification script, you're managing the sales team, you're monitoring the sales calls, you're doing many small things in order to achieve the success that you want. It's never just one thing magically you're successful. And when you do many small things, some of them will fail. It's up to you to decide whether you're gonna give up or not. Whether you reach to the end goal, let's say you wanna make $1 million, whether you get there or not depends on whether you can endure the failures, the million things that you have to do to get there, whether you will endure the failures each step of the way, right? You have to do many small things to reach that goal. If you want to be a millionaire, it's 1 million steps that you have to do to get there.